In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sites to create a website. Google Sites is a user-friendly platform that lets you build a website without any coding skills, whether it's for a personal blog, business, or portfolio. Start by going to sites.google.com and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. On the homepage, check out the template gallery to explore pre-designed templates that fit your needs, whether personal, business, or educational. Choosing the right template will save you time and make designing easier. Once you pick a template, it will load a sample site with content and images. Now the fun begins. You can edit text, change images, add logos, and rearrange sections to match your vision. Experiment with fonts, colors, and layout until the site feels uniquely yours. Finally, preview your site as a visitor to ensure navigation is smooth and content is engaging. And there you have it, a simple professional website built with Google Sites. Today's video